trend analysis. By categorizing errors and accidents and graphically displaying their frequency, you can get a good indication of areas where problems or potential problems exist. The Quality Assurance Unit should have an active role in this part of error management. Not only are these graphical representations useful in depicting error and accident frequencies by category, but they are also useful in communicating this information within your organization. Also be aware that the FDA now requires you to provide a Quality Assurance Annual Summary, which must include a section on your error and accident trends. Having the ability to trend your data will greatly facilitate the preparation of this report. Let's review what we would like to see accomplished so far in our error management system. At this point, we've identified the need for error detection, documentation, investigation, corrective action, follow-up, communication, and trend analysis.
We must also consider two other important aspects of error management: error reporting and product recall. When certain errors or accidents occur, licensed blood establishments are required by law to report them to the Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, or CBER. In CFR 600.14, it states that CBER shall be notified of errors or accidents in the manufacture of products that may affect the safety, purity, or potency of any product. Licensed blood establishments are required to report these errors. Unlicensed, registered facilities are requested to voluntarily do the same unless a fatality is involved, in which case reporting is mandatory. It is important to note that notification to CBER is necessary if the product has been made available for distribution, whether or not actual shipment has occurred. Although they should still be documented, errors detected and corrected prior to making a product available for distribution do not have to be reported. Let's look at some examples of FDA reportable errors. These errors will include those associated with the release of units repeatedly reactive to viral marker testing, units from donors for whom test results were improperly interpreted, units from donors who are or should have been deferred, units erroneously released prior to completion of all tests, incorrectly labeled blood components, microbially contaminated blood components due to errors in manufacturing. We should remember that errors must be reported in a timely fashion. Waiting months to report an error to CBER is not an acceptable practice and can lead to regulatory problems with the FDA. Depending upon the severity of the error, reporting can be done immediately or within 10 to 60 days in most cases for non-critical error situations. A sometimes serious matter is that of product recalls. A recall is defined by the FDA as a withdrawal or correction of a product that otherwise would be in violation of the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act or another statute administered by the agency. The FDA wants to ensure that recalls are also performed in a timely manner. Recalls are classified by the FDA according to the level of health risk they pose to the public. The established recall categories are Class 1, most serious, likelihood of serious health hazard or death. Class 2, may cause temporary, reversible health consequences. Class 3, not likely to cause health consequences. And market withdrawal, minor health risk or error for which the FDA would not initiate legal action. We should now have added error reporting, including recall if necessary, to our list of elements for an effective error management system. To summarize, an effective error management system should include provisions for the detection, documentation, investigation, correction, follow-up, communication, trend analysis, and timely reporting of errors. Remember that for any system to work effectively, there should be well-written standard operating procedures, and everyone involved should be adequately trained in those procedures. It is also important that everyone understand why error management is so critical. not only from a regulatory standpoint, but as another means of continuous quality improvement within your organization. The ultimate goal of error management is error prevention. We want to have systems in place that prevent errors from occurring, or, if they do occur, allow us to detect and correct them as soon as possible.
We hope that this video has been helpful to you in the establishment of your quality assurance unit and your auditing and error management programs. The systems we've examined are at the very core of continuous quality improvement in blood establishments.
And we must take advantage of any opportunity to further improve the quality of our life-saving products. We do it for you, for us, and for the millions of people whose lives depend upon our products. You may now pause the tape to take the post-evaluation if necessary. After you've submitted the completed evaluation, continue this tape for a review of the answers following the program credits.
The answers to the pre- and post-evaluations are as follows. Question 1. Quality assurance is all actions planned and performed to provide confidence that all systems and elements that influence the quality of the product are working as expected.
Question number 2. Which of the following is not a quality assurance function? The answer is C. Review and determination of employee raises.
Question number 3. To whom should the QA unit report in licensed facilities? The responsible head.
Question number 4. In reporting audit findings, comments regarding what is done well should be included in addition to noting those areas where opportunities for improvement exist. The answer is agree.
Question number 5. As with most other systems, it is important that the activities of an audit program be fully documented. The answer is agree.
Question number 6. An error is an unintentional deviation from a standard practice or procedure attributable to an individual's mistake and usually involving a GMP violation.
Question number 7. Retraining is always a first step to take when correcting an error. The answer is disagree.
Question number 8. To which branch of the FDA must licensed blood establishments report errors? The answer is Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, or CBER.
Question number 9. It is not necessary to have an SOP for error management in blood establishments. The answer is disagree.
Question number 10. The ultimate goal of an error management system is error prevention.